We all know how fun it is to imagine a hilarious comic book for kids. But the moment you actually pick up a pencil to bring those ideas to life, well, if you are anything like me, your grand action hero ends up looking like a wobbly stick figure. Let's take a simple, funny idea. Dad tries to fix the fridge and breaks everything. To turn that sentence into a real comic, you plan dozens of empty boxes, map the flow with intersecting arrows, and write complex script pages. Then you manually split scenes, format rigid panels, and write kid-friendly dialogue. It gets frustrating fast. But there's a new tool called the Funny Comics chatbot that handles all of that heavy lifting for you. It completely bypasses the need for drawing, writing experience, or formatting skills. By removing the steep artistic learning curve, you are finally free to focus entirely on sharing your fun stories without stressing over the technical execution. The process starts simply. You just take your plain, unformatted story, like our broken fridge joke, and paste it directly into the chatbot. You don't even have to tweak your original words. The system's first step is to generate what's called a character Bible. As you can see in this reference sheet, it locks in our cartoon dad with his wrench and creates distinct facial expressions, so he looks consistent on every single page of the book. Right after that, the bot creates a professional, eye-catching cover page to give your project a polished, retail-ready feel right out of the gate. Then, the core engine goes to work. It takes your single block of text, breaks it apart, and assigns your sentences into a perfectly structured 8-panel comic grid. The system then adds kid-friendly dialogue, speech bubbles, and dynamic action words like pow and bam. This step-by-step automation takes a raw, scattered joke and organizes it into a structurally complete, ready-to-read comic workflow in just a few minutes. If you want to explore different looks, there's a pro upgrade that lets you completely change the visual mood of your comic, and you don't have to rewrite a single line of your original story to do it. This split-screen layout shows exactly how that works. You can take your standard cartoon dad and instantly convert him into alternative art styles, like this heavily stylized, cute kawaii version, or even a stickman minimal look. This flexibility opens up some interesting doors, especially in the children's activity market, where interactive coloring books are incredibly popular and lucrative right now. To tap into that market, the tool has a black and white edition. This feature allows the bot to strip away all the color to create dedicated printable formats, leaving you with thick, bold outlines and wide-open white spaces. This specific formatting, with absolutely no messy grays and very clean borders, is strictly required if you want to upload low-ink interiors to platforms like Amazon KDP or offer printable activities on Etsy. By applying these upgrades, a single story idea can be multiplied into dozens of unique, niche-specific visual products, allowing you to reach entirely new audiences without any extra creative work. Let's look at the sheer volume of material we got from that one broken fridge prompt. We generated a full-color digital comic, a complete character Bible, and a companion coloring book. You can easily print these files out to enjoy at home with your family, or you can package them up as real commercial products. If you choose to sell them, this flowchart maps out your primary digital storefronts. Your files are perfectly formatted to be uploaded directly to Amazon KDP as physical paperbacks, or to Etsy as digital printables. Remember, you achieved all of this formatting, writing, and illustrating without manually drawing a single line. Having access to this system is like owning a personal, automated art studio. It bridges the gap between a simple joke and a fully publishable book. Ready to become a comic creator? Grab Funny Comics and my 100+ prompts to get